Hi everyone, it's Aubrey here to wish you a happy holiday season. And I wanted to go ahead and explain to you what our holiday gift is this year so that if you open the box and see it, you are not wondering what the heck this thing is and thinking it's some kind of broken egg beater. So as you know, we love to give you items that promote self-care and health and wellness. So what better than, if you've never seen one before, a nice poor man's massage. So you just let your hair down, or if you don't have any hair, the quicker you can get to it. You just make sure it's kind of spread out. You might need to spread your prongs out a little bit. Get it situated on there and massage and press and just go all over your head. It feels divine. And if you can get someone else to do it to you, it feels even better because it feels like someone's just, else is massaging your scalp. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy and have a very, very happy holiday season with your friends, your family, and especially enjoying gathering this year after the craziness of last year. So happy holidays. We'll see you in the new year.